15 years on, and Monte Carlo still plays host to one of the world's craziest car shows. Top Marques isn't just an event held at the Grimaldi Forum in Monaco, it is Monaco. Every road, every corner, every parking space is filled with some of the world's most exclusive cars. And what makes Top Marques so special is that the cars you idolise on the internet are actually driving around and not just sat on stands. You can hear, you can feel the emotion of these cars driving around in locations surrounded by luxury. Old, new, modified, they're all here at one of the best car shows in the world. Welcome to Top Marques.